Hi, welcome all of you on platform of YourPD Education, and you are watching the regular updates on winter admission. And in that winter admission, now the most important IIT which is this week added is IIT Kharagpur. So IIT Delhi, we have just now updated you about MS and PhD courses, and IIT Kharagpur has also come with the PhD course. MS will soon, I think, come, and this one is for PhD program only. So PhD, different departments have come out with the PhD. Every department you can apply, and BTech and MTech both are eligible, and BTech plus GATE score is required, and MTech you may not be requiring GATE score for MTech if you have done already MTech. Need to read this in detail. So now you know this departments and which department is participating, so you can apply in any department because they have not mentioned very clearly. Unlike IIT Delhi, they have not mentioned. So this is a prestigious IIT. Why? Because PhD program from IIT Kharagpur provides good opportunities thereafter, and competition is less in the winter, as we always say. So criteria for selection will be your academic background, your GATE score requirement and all, and maybe written exam they will take, and then online test will be there. Online interview will be there. So written test will also be online, and interview will also be online. Written test they are going to ask you the same things. As I told you earlier also, that if you want to increase the probability of your selection in IITs, you need to increase the first number of places you apply. So if you apply in more places, probability of getting call is more, and then conversion is also more. So now IIT Kharagpur PhD program. So this is all about PhD programs. There is a assistantship provided to you, that is called Institute Assistantship. 31,000 for first 2 years, and thereafter 35,000. Maybe it will be revised soon. Once you are in PhD, students keep on saying that this is soon going to be revised, PhD scholarship. So that is what is called a spring semester, and 27th October is the last date for that. So and you know, interviews will be in November. 17th to 28th November is the interview date in IITs, and 27th is the last date. So if you have not so far filled the form of IITs for the winter, start filling, because summers ke comparison mein winter is very less competitive. Winter mein chance of getting selection is very high. So then the details you can go through. We will attach this this particular advertisement will provide you on our website, and you can get from the website. You can get these details from the website. So requirement are for PhD, MTech students and BTech students can join this particular program. Not only MTech, there is a Masters of Architect, other students like MBA, law graduates, so they can also go for this particular PhD program. And other than this qualification, I think you need to have a written test, and then there is an interview. So just go through these details, and you will find out the other details they have mentioned here. The rest I think is all known things only for you, whatever you know. So this overall academic performance, and then written test, online written test, and then interview. Okay, so the scholarship will be provided to you, and then tuition fee for this program is 25,000 per semester. But you know, you are going to get scholarship also, so it won't be the financial burden on you. In fact, you can save money. Kharagpur mein expenditure is very less. So if you compare Kharagpur with Delhi, then monthly expenditure in Kharagpur is very less. It is very cheap, and hostel accommodation and everything is there. So IIT Delhi mein there is a problem of hostel accommodation being small area in Hauz Khas, but IIT Kharagpur mein there is no problem of that. You will get comfortable accommodation, hostel facilities are also there, so that won't be problem in Kharagpur. So I hope you people prepare well for this. Apply in IIT Kharagpur with statement of purpose and research proposal, and go for it. All the best, and thank you.